Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that can make a significant difference in your DIY repair projects, the 150W upgraded plastic welder kit, also known as the hot stapler welding machine. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this plastic welder kit? It's a specialized tool designed for repairing plastic items, particularly effective for car bumpers, kayaks, and various plastic products. With its powerful 150W output, this welding machine is engineered to deliver efficient and strong repairs, ensuring that you can tackle a range of plastic welding tasks with ease. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this kit. First off, the extended accessories included are impressive. You get 1,000 pieces of hot staples in 6 different types, 8 plastic welding rods, and 2 thermal smoothing heads. This variety allows you to choose the right tool for any repair job, eliminating the need to purchase additional staples separately. It's a cost-effective solution for anyone working with plastics. Another key feature is the fast heating capability. With a maximum power of 150W, this plastic welding machine heats up quickly, meaning you won't have to wait around before starting your repairs. Plus, the overheating protection ensures that the welding process is safe for both the plastic and the surrounding surfaces, giving you peace of mind while you work. Operating the plastic welder is straightforward. You simply select the appropriate staple based on the type of crack you're repairing, insert it into the brass bracket, and press the power button. The staple will melt into the plastic as you continue to hold it, creating a strong bond. After welding, you can use the hot smoothing head to refine the surface, ensuring a flawless finish. Plus, the built-in LED indicators are a thoughtful touch, providing visibility in low-light conditions. This plastic welder kit is suitable for a wide range of users. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional mechanic, or someone who frequently works with plastic items, this tool will prove invaluable. It can repair up to 98% of plastic products on the market, making it versatile for various applications. Practical use cases are abundant. For instance, if you have a cracked car bumper, this kit can help you restore its integrity without the need for costly replacements. It's also great for repairing kayak hulls, garden furniture, or even household items like plastic toys or storage bins. The possibilities are endless. One thing to note is that while the product itself has been upgraded, the instructions may not reflect the latest changes. If you receive an older version of the manual, don't worry, rest assured that the product is indeed the upgraded 150W welding gun. The slight confusion is simply due to timing, and the performance of the welder remains top-notch. In summary, the 150W upgraded plastic welder kit is an essential tool for anyone looking to repair plastic items effectively and efficiently. With its fast heating, extensive accessories, and user-friendly operation, it makes plastic welding accessible to everyone, no matter your skill level. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.